So there are people swimming. And there's an alligator sign. Oh, nice. Feel like we're in a completely different state or country now, because there's fields to the left and to the right and big farms and cows and horses. It's a big change to the last days where we had swamps and ocean and lakes and so on, and here it's just dry and open.
Alright, so this is where we are going to be spending the next 2 nights, including Christmas Eve. It is a bit crappy, but it's the only thing that's somewhat affordable in the US. And even this costs like $150 for 2 nights, which is fucking expensive compared to what we're used to. Yeah, that's it.
Turkey continued is finished. So that's how we, or especially Toby, spent most of Christmas Eve so far. But he actually also got his booster shot in this arm. Show it to us.
It's actually a bit sore.
Ta-da! Yeah, so let's see how he feels later. It was actually pretty easy to get it here. I'm gonna get mine when the 6 months since my last vaccination are over, so sometime in January, which is really good. Yeah, and this is actually first time for me not being home with my family on Christmas, and it's strange. Well, it's also just kind of crazy where we are right now, but also it's just weird not being with the family, not being at home. Also with the warm weather, there are not too many Christmas feelings. So all the restaurants were closed and we got pizza to eat in the hotel room.
Yeah, this is definitely a new level of shitty.
Yeah.
But it's kind of cool. Kind of not cool. Kind of cool.
Kind of sad. Kind of funny.
Yeah.
It's all together.
got a nice coffee this morning, big, strong black coffee, and we were just like at this in the middle of nowhere at this petrol station, and just wanted the coffee, which would cost $1 for a large coffee, which is really cheap. And then we gave her like a 20 because we didn't have any dollar notes, and then she didn't have change, so we just got this for free now, which is just really awesome. And we were just cycling through the fog and just no end in sight, and then we saw this petrol station. Oh, it's a good idea. Yeah.
Well, this looks like a bear sign. This is a sports center right outside of a small town, I think Carabel, and it has several baseball fields and I think a football field somewhere, and it's pretty empty, so we're hoping we'll be able to camp here, but we don't know if it's going to be locked tonight, so let's see later, but we'll definitely cook here, and we're drying some stuff.
So we heard, well not we heard, but we saw a bear warning sign a few hundred meters out back on the road where we came in from, and in this park where we're camping now, there were also like special trash cans designed so the bears couldn't get in them and so on. So it looks like there might be bears here, so we're gonna put all smelling items like our food and I don't know, creams and so on, like 100 meters away from the tent tonight, and we're also going to brush our teeth further away from the tent just to be on the safe side and hope we don't get any visitors tonight, at least not on our tent. Alright, let's hope that does it.
This coast is so different from the Atlantic coast in Florida. It's quite empty, not many houses, no hotels or anything. And yesterday there was also a sign, "Welcome to the Forgotten Coast," or to Florida's Forgotten Coast, something like that. And it really feels like that. Having breakfast at a gas station.
Again.
And it's again so foggy. This is so annoying, and it's actually also a bit dangerous because our glasses tend to get foggy as well, and you have to clean them all the time, and you don't know how cars see you and so on. Very annoying. I'm so fucking annoyed. This fucking tire just popped. I don't know if I cycled through something or if it just was because of the wet and it's not made for it. I don't know, but we bought this 1.5 weeks ago or something like that. Yeah, and now I can get a new one again. Just a waste of money. We just got stopped by our host Roger, who just went in the car again, and he asked if he could take some of our bags or something to make it easier for us, and we now said that we'll just try to get to their house and hoping that my tire doesn't pop. Yay! And the tire is still full.
I'm a bit worried that tire.
Oh. It's a hole like this big, I
It
think.
looks good from here, but,
Yeah.
but my eyesight is not good either.
So if you have been watching all our travel videos, you might think we're a bit stupid because we had so many flat tires over the past 6 months. But the thing is, we started with pretty standard tires because we didn't want to waste them, and we thought they would be good enough, which they turned out weren't, with puncture protection and everything. And then at some point we decided we need better tires, maybe like the Marathon Plus Tour series. Yeah, and I was pretty lucky that Toby got them in Turkey in his size and I didn't get them in my size. And now in the US we've been searching and searching in different stores, and then because I had so many flats we took different tires and yeah, tried different brands and everything, and no tire has been really good so far with punctures, and now the tire that even popped. So yeah, I now decided I'm definitely gonna order them, and I had a look already and they don't have the Plus Tour in my size anywhere available in the US, so I'm just gonna order the Plus, Marathon Plus in my size. And I'm gonna order it to Dallas, where we will be in a few weeks. And yeah, for the time between that, I have to find another solution tomorrow, because yeah, I can't cycle anymore with that pop tire.
All right, well, what a way to end the year. So today's the 31st of December. Tonight we're gonna be celebrating New Year's. And but last night and this morning we had this really amazing time with our Warm Showers hosts Katrina and Roger, who have just been so amazingly nice to us. They invited us for dinner yesterday, and then to the Waffle House for breakfast this morning. And with Louisa's little mishap with her back tire, Roger even drove us to like a bike shop and yeah, helped us out so much. It was really cool. And then we found these two folding mantles, which were in a pretty good size as well. And then he even paid for them for us, which is just absolutely amazing. And yeah, now Louisa has a new back tire, and we have a spare folding mantle now, just in case this happens again for any reason, because there's so much debris on the American roads. Yeah, so we're definitely better off now than we were before.
Preparing for the first time busking in the US.
Seaside here, and then it's nothing but residential properties, and then you hit watercolor. Okay. Now I don't know what watercolors rules are.
So 10 seconds of playing. But this is private property, so we're not allowed to. But he was very friendly. Okay. New Year's Eve in Germany. They're already celebrating the new year, but we're 7 hours behind them, so we're not celebrating yet. But we left the house now and are on our way to some bar or something, hoping that there's some kind of a party or something going on, which we can join. And yeah, then we hope we have a better start in the new year than we had like Christmas. There's music over there. It's 9:30 now, I think, and we're leaving the place because they're closing at 10, and everything is actually shutting down now already.
The DJ stopped playing at 9 already.
Yeah, and there's kind of a curfew or something, noise control, so that they have to shut down at 10, which is okay in general, I would say, but I don't understand it for New Year's Eve.
It doesn't really make sense.
Yeah, but...
So we're going back and we'll see if we can find anything at the beach that's still going on at 12.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Happy New Year!
It's just nothing.
Nothing is happening. Well, because we're going to bed. Great, there are no fireworks.
I wonder where everyone is though.